Mm. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Mm. I sit back and think back on them good old days. Faces in the kitchen light fading into haze. They're no longer here, but they live in me. Every laugh, every lesson built this backbone I can't see. Who would've thought I'd walk this future all alone? Stand my ground, fight and fend for me and my own. Thank you to my families for everything you've done. Because of you I am strong, even standing alone. Yeah. Because of you I am strong, even standing alone. I've learned through it all, the fights, the falls. We all battled over little things, big things. Doors slammed, hearts rattled. Now I carry your stories like a ring of worn keys. I am humbled, I am grateful for the way you shaped me. Who would have thought I'd walk this future all alone? Stand my ground, fight and fend for me and my own. Thank you to my families for everything you've done. Because of you I am strong, even standing alone. Oh, because of you I am strong, even standing alone. If you could see me now, would you smile at what I've become? Every scar, every stumble turned a child into someone. I still said one more place at the table in my mind. You are gone, but you are here in every step I find. Who would have thought I'd walk this future all alone? Stand my ground, fight and fend for me and my